Today, we want to teach you a great Hunan dish that's pretty easy to whip up, golden coin eggs. Now to help us here, we got a guest cook today, our friend Vicky, who's actually from Hunan and makes this dish all the time. So to get started, we'll need eggs. We'll be hard boiling these, so add some cool water, cover, and bring to a boil. We'll need these a bit sturdier, so let them go for 8 minutes, heat off, then let them soak in that hot water for another 2. Now take them out, toss in a bowl with cold water, then rinse under a tap for a few minutes to cool it all down. Now we'll only need 4 eggs for this dish, so once those are all completely cooled down, peel them and set your now hard-boiled eggs aside. And now for the slightly tricky bit, cutting the eggs. Slice them into 1/2-inch coins just like you would for a salad, periodically dipping the knife in water to help get smoother cuts. Now, unlike a salad, if you got a few lost soldiers here, it's totally not a big deal. Just place the yolks back with the white. You could obviously go at this with some dental floss, but paranoia is not needed because we'll be lightly dusting these with cornstarch. You don't need too much of a coating here, one side only, just enough to help the yolk stick together to the white. And if you got some muffed up slices from before, just go a bit heavier on the cornstarch with those. And now, we can fry. We'll be frying this today with about 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, the spiciest you can feasibly source, some garlic, about 3 cloves finely minced, some ginger, about 1 inch, also finely minced, and some green onions, about 2 sprigs cut into slices. And so now, to a wok, add about 1/3 cup of oil, maybe a touch more. This is Hunan food after all, fear not the oil. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until bubbles start to form around some chopsticks, or about 160 centigrade, and carefully add in your eggs. Fry those eggs for about 4 minutes. They'll start to get nice and golden brown, and once the oil's getting a bit frothy, add in the chili flakes. Swap the flame to medium, give that a quick mix, then go in with the garlic and the ginger. Mix and let it cook for about 15 seconds. Then pour a 1/2 tablespoon liaojiu, aka Shaoxing wine, around the eggs. Do the same move with a similar 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Quick mix, then sprinkle over your cut scallions. Fry that for another 15 seconds. Heat off and out. And that's it. Just a great weeknight dish and surprisingly easy for just how awesome it tastes.
So thanks Vicky for being our guest cook. And check out the other link in the description box for detailed recipe. A big thank you for everyone that's supporting us on Patreon. And of course, subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos.